Hey guys, today we are making chocolate puff pastry twists with our homemade puff pastry dough. This recipe is so simple, it only uses 3 ingredients: the puff pastry dough, light brown sugar, and mini chocolate chips. Our version, of course, is gluten-free, eggless, nut-free, and it can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make them. We're going to start out by unwrapping a puff pastry dough that we made, and we're going to cut it in half. We only need half for this recipe. 1/2 is equivalent to an 11 by 11 sheet from the grocery store. We're going to flour our surface, and we're going to roll out our puff pastry into a circle. If it is being difficult, you can always use a pizza cutter like I am to make it a little bit cleaner. Next, we're going to cut 8 slices in the dough. And if it's a little sticky, that's okay. Sprinkle some brown sugar all over the slices and then put the mini chocolate chips only in the center of the slices. This makes it easier to roll them up. Starting on the wide end, we are going to roll towards the point of the triangle. Some of the chocolate chips might fall out, that's okay, still delicious. Once we have everything rolled out, we are going to brush it with milk since we are an egg-free household, and we're going to bake. When they come out of the oven, we're going to drizzle with melted chocolate chips, and that is it. They are so simple to make, only use a few ingredients, and they are absolutely delicious. They're so addicting. My daughter and I love to eat them all in 2 days' time. I hope you guys love them as much as we do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.